Hi, this is Stephanie with Bright Guy, and I'm here today to demonstrate the Fenix PD35 LED flashlight. The Fenix PD35 is one of the brightest compact flashlights. It uses a Cree brand XML U2 LED to produce 850 lumens in the highest setting. The body is made of a durable anodized aluminum and measures just 5.5 inches long. It has a primary on-off switch on the tail and a secondary mode switch on the body. Press and release the mode switch to select from the 5 different brightness levels, or press and hold the switch to go into strobe. The PD35 can run on either 2 CR123 non-rechargeable lithium batteries or a single 18650 lithium-ion rechargeable battery.
The Fenix PD35 flashlight has a 1.25-hour accumulated runtime in turbo mode. It has a wide, smooth beam pattern that will shine for over 600 feet. Let's compare the PD35 and the Fenix PD32 Ultimate Edition flashlight. The PD32 Ultimate Edition, shown here, has a wider center hotspot than the PD35, shown here. At a beam distance of about 2 feet, you can get a better sense of the beam pattern differences between the Fenix PD35 on the right and the PD32 Ultimate Edition on the left.
Thanks for watching today. Make sure you visit brightguy.com to view the Fenix PD35 and our full product line of over 500 different types of flashlights. And while you're there, sign up for our email newsletter so you can keep up to date on the latest flashlights from your favorite brands.